Have you ever heard of an OSHA 10 or OSHA 30? Maybe some of you with experience in other industries might have. But most in solid waste aren't familiar with these safety courses. That's because no one's ever focused them on our industry before, making the content as relevant and practical as possible for solid waste workers. Well, it's here. Many think of OSHA as that agency that makes the safety rules. But obviously their main goal is to promote a healthy and safe workplace. Since solid waste is currently the 6th deadliest industry in the United States, we could obviously use some assistance and improvement in this area. One way that OSHA promotes safety isn't through regulation or compliance inspections. It's called the Outreach Training Program. For years, OSHA has authorized certain third-party trainers to deliver a very specific safety training course. The goal of this course is to give workers information about how to avoid and prevent some of the deadliest and most common hazards that they face. It also includes a general overview of OSHA and its purpose. Again, this isn't an OSHA compliance inspection or audit of any kind. It's exactly what the title says, a safety training program. There's a 10-hour version of the course, the OSHA 10, that's meant for entry-level or general workers. There's also a 30-hour version, that's the OSHA 30, that's geared for supervisors. At the end of the course, all attendees receive an official card from OSHA, acknowledging that they completed the course. It'll look something like this. Now, this is my card as an OSHA authorized trainer, but your staff will receive something similar, acknowledging that they completed OSHA's Outreach Training Program. As previously mentioned, OSHA sets the curriculum for these courses. But traditionally, they're delivered in a way that focuses on general construction sites or factory workers. While the content's good, examples and training materials about roofers and assembly lines just don't connect and aren't applicable to solid waste workers. So what we've done is taken OSHA's curriculum and developed it through the lens of solid waste, curated specifically for whatever type of solid waste operation you have. For example, when covering OSHA's section about struck-by incidents, preventing people getting hit by heavy equipment or vehicles. Instead of talking about a general construction site or a warehouse trucking dock, we cover the tipping floor at a landfill or transfer station, one of the deadliest areas of our industry. When covering the section about lockout tagout, we talk about cleaning behind the blade of a collections vehicle or performing a cleanout at a MRF. OSHA also allots a certain amount of time for elective and optional safety training content. Here we talk about the hazards of residential versus commercial collections routes. We also cover landfill or transfer station spotter safety. I once had a collections manager ask for a safety boot camp that would cover both general OSHA and industry-specific safety topics. That's really what this is. That's a perfect description. The OSHA 10 and 30 are safety boot camps that use OSHA authorized training content delivered by an OSHA authorized instructor, and the content's been customized to focus specifically on solid waste workers. Reach out and let's set up a time to talk about your operation and how your staff can benefit from the OSHA 10 and 30 courses delivered by Forbedre Consulting.